Hey everyone, this is Heidi from the blog Hands Occupied with another crochet tutorial for you today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to crochet the pineapple stitch. What we've got right here in front of me is a swatch of the pineapple stitch in crochet. This is a very, very elegant looking stitch that's actually not that hard to crochet. I always assumed it would be crazy difficult to do, and it's really not so bad. So let me walk you through how to do it. So we're going to start out by doing a slip knot and chaining 4 stitches to get our pineapple stitch started. So there's our slip knot, and we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we need to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, which is the furthest chain from our hook. We're going to double crochet in there. And then we are going to chain 2 and then double crochet in that same space we just double crocheted in. 1 more double crochet. There we go. And that is row 1. Now we're going to chain 4 and turn. And now we turn our work and we are going to triple crochet 12 into the 2 chain space that's right here. So that's 2 wraps. And there is 1 double crochet, or triple crochet, excuse me. There's 1 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 5, 6, 12. All right, so here is 12. And to confirm, I'm just going to count. We did our chain 4 and turn, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 triple crochet stitches in the chain 2 space. And then what we're going to do is chain 4 times and turn our work again. 2, 3, and 4. And turn. Next, for the next row, we are going to chain 1 and triple crochet 1, and then we're going to repeat that chain 1, triple crochet 1 all the way across for a total of 12 chain 1 spaces. Let me show you a couple of these right now. So we're going to chain 1 more on top of that initial chain 4, yarn over twice, and then we are going to triple crochet 1 right here. And then again, chain 1 and triple crochet in the next stitch. And then I'll keep repeating this again all the way across for a total of 12 chain 1 spaces. So looking at our work here, what we have done is we did our chain and turn, and then we did a chain 1, triple crochet 1, all the way across our row for a total of 12 chain 1 spaces. Now we need to turn our work. So starting from right here on row 5, we're going to start with a chain 3. So we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then we need to single crochet 1 in the chain 1 space. And now we repeat that all the way across the row. We're going to chain 3 and single crochet 1 in the next chain 1 space. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And I'm going to repeat that all the way across for a total of 12 chain 3 spaces. So now right here in our little fan looking proto pineapple stitch, we have repeated our chain 3 and single crochet 1 in each chain 1 space all the way across this row, and we have a total of 12 chain 3 spaces. Now we can turn our work. And for now, through the rest of this motif, we are going to do the following. We're going to start with a chain 3. So easy enough. But then what we've got to do is, instead of working into this first chain 3 space, we're just going to skip it and single crochet 1 into the next chain 3 space. And then now the repeat continues across the row, except we're not skipping a chain 3 space again. So instead we're just chaining 3 and then single crocheting into the next chain 3 space. And again, the repeat is chain 3 and single crochet into the next. So by skipping that first chain 3 space, what we're doing is reducing the number of chain 3 spaces by 1, and we're going to do that every single row. So we're going to repeat this 6th row 10 total times, skipping the first chain 3 space each time. And so that results in a shorter and shorter row. So it starts here and it decreases to a point here. And what this does is it decreases and gives us this pineapple shape that we're going for until we end up with one final very short row that's just a single set of chain 3 and single crochet 1 to finish it out with just that one chain 3 space. And this motif can be incorporated in larger pieces like shawls. It can be used decoratively, but the pineapple stitch is something you find here and there throughout crochet, and it's a fun one to know how to do. And if you have any tips, tricks, or questions, don't forget to reach out in the comments with those, and tune in again soon for even more video tutorials.